And here's how to make iPhone photo blur background. So let's capture a photo with blur background. So I'm opening my camera app, and in order to capture a photo with blur background, you have to select portrait. So here select portrait, and now you have to move your camera further away, just like so, and you have to select the subject. So tap on the subject and capture a photo. And now here we can see the photo successfully captured and background is blurred. To make the background more blur, you have to edit the photo. So tap on edit, and here at the top left corner you will find this F icon. So make sure to enable this F, then tap on this F, and now here we can see currently selected f2.8. Now to increase your background blurriness, go ahead and select here 1.4. Once you selected 1.4, your photo background will be completely blurred, just like so. So you can use this depth scale to adjust your photo background blurriness, just like so, and tap on done to save. And now I will show you how to make a existing photo background blur. To do that, you have to go ahead and open a browser on your iPhone. So let's open a browser, and in your browser you have to search here photo background blur online. Search using this keyword, and now we have to open this TinyWow website. So open this link, and here tap on upload from PC or mobile. I'm tapping on photo library, and now go ahead and select the photo, which photo you want to make background blur, and tap on done, and the photo will upload in this website. And now you have to fix the recapture. And here we can see the photo successfully uploaded, and here we can see the blur scale. Now you can go ahead and add more blur to your photo background using this blur slider or scale, just like so. And tapping on blur, and fix the recapture again. It may take some moments to process the photo here. Once your image ready, all you have to need, tap on download and tap on save to device. Tap on download, and here you can see the image is downloading. Once successfully downloaded, tap on the image, and here tap on share and tap on save image. And now go to your Photos app, and here you will find the image with blur background. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.